series for pitching that is going to be what you need to look for when you are doing the mirror drill. And we're going to start with the first one, which is just getting to the set position. So I'm going to teach you how to pitch from the stretch. Okay? There's two types of ways to pitch. One way is from the stretch and one is from the windup. You should all learn how to pitch out of the stretch first, and then once you understand how to pitch from the stretch, then you should go to and learn how to pitch from the windup. So the very first thing you need to do is get your four-seam grip. So you're going to put your fingers on the baseball across the horseshoe, and the four-seam grip means that all four seams, 1, 2, 3, 4, are going to cut across the air. That's the way you throw a fastball. Okay, so I'm going to put that in my hand right from the beginning, and I'm going to pretend like this line is the rubber. The rubber is that white rectangle on top of the mound. And so I'm going to start by stepping in front of the rubber. So my foot is going to be right in front of that rubber, and my feet are going to be a little bit more than shoulder width apart. Okay? I'm going to keep the ball in my hand with my four-seam grip, and I'm going to pretend like I'm looking at the catcher to get my sign. So now all I'm going to do is come sets, which means bring my hands together and bring my feet together. Notice my feet are now about shoulder width apart. If I turn sideways, do it again, you can see there's a slight bend in my knees. Okay, I don't want to be standing straight up, and you don't need to be squatted really far down, just a slight bend in my knees. But you want to be in an athletic position. The biggest problem when coming set is a lot of people bring their feet together. You're not in an athletic position. So let's do that one more time from the beginning. So I'm pretending this is the rubber. I'm going to put my foot right in front of it, get my sign, and come set. That is how I'm going to put that in my glove even to start. Okay, so as I put it in, my fingers are on top of the ball. If you can see into my glove there, fingers are on top of the ball. I like my hands at my chest. Some people have them down here by their belly. This is more of a comfort thing. When you get older and you can pick off runners that are taking a lead, it's going to be faster to throw if your hands are up higher. So that's why I personally like your hands at your chest, but that is more of a preference. If you watch any kind of baseball on TV, you'll see some guys start here, some guys start here. It's up to you. So last time. All right, that is step one. Once you master that, then you are ready to go on to step two, and we'll talk about how to separate your hands.